What's going on, y'all? TKO, Sneakers in the Fox TV. I'm about to do a quick unboxing, quick little review on, oops, my bad, on the sneaker that just came in. So let's go ahead and take this a look real quick. Battery about to die, so I want to do this real quick. And I got another little couple things I got to knock out as well. So I'll do this for y'all. So I'm gonna try to at least do one once a week for y'all. This came in, I think on Monday, but I'm finally, Monday or Tuesday, but I'm finally getting a chance to actually unbox these and take a look at these. Let's see what we got here. Shouts out to GOAT. Yeah. Super still. Yeah. These are dope. These are the Puma Ralph Sampson Low. And I know they say the colorway is denim, something like that. Let's see what the colorway says. Okay, so let's get that right. There we go. So it's a Ralph Sampson Low Hoops Pastel Faded Denim Pastel. That's the colorway. Let's take a look at these beauties right here. If you know me, you know I am a huge North Carolina Tar Heels basketball fan, just basketball. And it's got that North Carolina blue colorway to rock with my North Carolina jerseys and North Carolina shirt. So these are real dope. This is one of the dope Puma releases this year, is a Ralph Sampson. And if you see my other reviews, it's pretty much the same, except for the material here is different right here. You got your premium, nice leather around the whole sneaker. Real nice leather. The leather on these are plush. Love the leather on here. Oh shit, my bad. Okay. And what you got here? You got Ralph Sampson here in gold. You got the Puma Cat in gold on the heel. Let's see what else we got on the sneaker that we can talk about that's different from other sneakers. Okay, on the tab, you got in blue here, the North Carolina blue, design Puma Germany. And they always had these codes right here, numbers on the tongue. And so what's real different about this sneaker is the form strip. It's got that basketball material. That's exactly what it is. As you can see, look at it. It's got that basketball material. That's real dope. And that's why it's called the hoop. Because it is a basketball material here in blue. And then this would be dope if they did one in orange too. That would be dope. But this is a basketball material right here as well on the heel. And then on the inside of the sneaker, the form strip, same thing. So that's really the highlight of this particular sneaker, is the actual form strip. And the heel around, they have basketball material. So that's what's dope and different about this particular Puma Ralph Sampson. So that's real dope. And then I like to highlight how they highlighted here in black. I think that's really dope to make it really just pop out. So you see that form strip. So these are real dope, man. Yeah, dope pickup. Crazy steel. Got them on GOAT. Not StockX. Apparently StockX got another hack, but neither here or there. So here it is, the Puma Ralph Sampson Low Hoops. And just stay tuned next week. Definitely have another review. So like I said, I'm going to try to do at least one a week. I'm going to try my best. It'll be at least 2 weeks, I know for sure. It's just when I got my events and all that, it gets pretty hectic. But I'm trying to do at least one. So I just want y'all to stay tuned, man, for our next events. If you're in Atlanta, you want to travel to Atlanta, September 8th, we got Young Book and Lil Freaky's Bandana 6 album release party at pregame. We're looking for customizers for that. Customizers, it's only $25 to enter, and you bring your sneaker, okay? This is what you do. You bring your sneaker with you. It's $25 to enter. Young Book and Freaky are going to pick the winner, and the winner who does a Bandana 6 sneaker, and the winner will get a place at the A3C Finals for Customizers of Atlanta. September 22nd, we have our third and final round of Customizers of Atlanta, and we got some special judges, some special guests, a crazy takeover. Can't discuss that yet, so just stay tuned for that. And then October 13th, you got the A3C Festival, which is going to be another sneaker day party, and the finals of Customizers of Atlanta. Tickets are available now. We got the early birds for $7. At the door, it's going to be more, so get that early bird. We're looking for vendors, your clothing line, sneaker reseller. Hit us up so we can get those slots for you for the next 3 events. Sponsors, we're always looking for sponsors.